When it comes to choosing the right CRM for multi-channel communication, Salesflare and Vtiger CRM are two popular options. But which one is truly better? In this video, we're diving into the differences, strengths, and weaknesses of each, so you can decide which CRM fits your needs best. Stick around because I'll be sharing an alternative that I found to be a game changer for multi-channel communication. Let's start with Salesflare. Salesflare positions itself as an easy-to-use CRM that integrates well with a wide range of channels. It automatically pulls in data from emails, social media, and even your calendar, making it a highly efficient tool for capturing leads and managing communication. But here's the catch: while Salesflare's automation is impressive, its multi-channel communication features aren't as expansive as you might expect. You can link emails, calls, and social media, but if you're looking for deep integration with messaging apps like WhatsApp or robust SMS options, it falls a little short compared to other CRMs. Next, let's talk about Vtiger CRM. Vtiger does offer a more comprehensive set of features when it comes to multi-channel communication. You have options like email, social media, SMS, and even live chat, all integrated into a single platform. This is where Vtiger shines for businesses that need to manage communication across several channels without jumping between multiple tools. However, while Vtiger offers a lot of functionality, it's not the most user-friendly CRM out there. The interface can be a bit overwhelming for new users, and the learning curve is steeper compared to Salesflare's more intuitive setup. Moving on to the third thing, the pricing. Salesflare has a higher starting price point, but the cost is justified if you need automated features to save you time. The trade-off here is that you get a simpler system that integrates well, but for multi-channel communication, you might find it lacking. Vtiger, on the other hand, provides a more affordable pricing structure, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one CRM with a broader set of communication tools. But as we mentioned, this comes with the downside of a less streamlined user experience and potentially more complexity than you might want. The fourth thing to consider is the support and community. Salesflare has an excellent reputation for customer support, which is essential for any business that relies heavily on CRM tools. They offer fast responses and a helpful knowledge base. Vtiger's support, while adequate, doesn't always receive the same praise. Some users report slower response times and a less helpful community forum. If quick support is crucial for you, Salesflare has the edge here. Finally, let's talk about flexibility. Vtiger CRM offers a higher level of customization, which could be a deciding factor if you have specific needs in terms of how you communicate with customers. Salesflare, while not as customizable, offers an easy setup and an interface that stays focused on its core features. So, in conclusion, both Salesflare and Vtiger CRM have their merits when it comes to multi-channel communication. Salesflare is great for automation and ease of use, but it lacks some of the deep multi-channel capabilities that Vtiger offers. Vtiger, on the other hand, is perfect if you need more communication tools, but it can be complicated to get the most out of it. Now, if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, intuitive setup with robust multi-channel communication, there's a better alternative that I've found to be a game changer. After trying both Salesflare and Vtiger myself, I'd recommend checking out the link in the description for a CRM with the best multi-channel communication capabilities. You can take advantage of a free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers through that link. Remember, both Salesflare and Vtiger are solid options, but if you want to save time, improve communication, and get results, check out the CRM I've linked in the description.